Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss Greybach normal form. If we have a given grammar without epsilon productions, then that grammar can be in the Greybach normal form if it is of the form A tends to A gives A or A gives A alpha, where alpha is any number of non-terminal symbols, then A is a non-terminal symbol and small a is a terminal. Capital A is a non-terminal, small a is a terminal. So you have to bring the grammar in this form so that it will be a it will be in a Greybach normal form. For example, this grammar is in Greybach normal form because it is of the form A tends to A or A tends to B alpha, where A, B, C act as alpha here, which is combination of any number of non-terminal symbols. Again, B gives B, A, C. This is also in the Greybach normal form because B, AC act as a alpha here, and C gives AC. C gives A is also of this form A tends to A. So this grammar is in the Greybach normal form. Now we will discuss one example that if we are provided with one grammar, how this grammar can be converted into Greybach normal form. So this is given grammar. You can see here B tends to B is already in the form of A tends to A, and this A gives AA, AB and B is already in this form of A tends to A alpha, and this A tends to B is in this form. So we have to convert this only. Okay, this production, how we can convert it? As gives, first of all this A can be replaced with AA, so I will write it AAB, or this A can be replaced with BB, so I will write it as AB, ABB, or this A can be replaced with B, so I will write it as BB. So you can see here this grammar is now converted to Greybach normal form because it is of the form A gives A alpha, and this remaining production will remain as it is, as gives AB. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel to see more videos on this topic.